Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're delving into a product that's perfect for sculpting, highlighting, and perfecting your face. The KIKO Milano Contour Obsession Palette in the 02 medium shade. This face palette is designed to make contouring effortless, with 2 contour powders and a highlighter that promises a glowing finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The KIKO Milano Contour Obsession Palette comes with 3 essential shades, 2 contour powders, and a highlighter. The powders are matte with a buildable formula, which means you can customize the intensity of your contour based on your preferences. The highlighter is designed to provide a natural glow, making your skin look radiant without being over the top. The palette is compact, which makes it great for on-the-go application, whether you're touching up during the day or traveling. As for the texture, both contour powders are silky smooth and blend seamlessly into the skin. They are finely milled, making them easy to build up without creating harsh lines. The shades themselves are well balanced, with one being a cooler, more neutral brown for a natural contour, and the other warmer for a bit of warmth around the face. The highlighter, on the other hand, is a subtle pearlescent gold that adds a touch of radiance without making you look too shiny. Now, let's talk about how it works in practice. I've been using the KIKO Milano Contour Obsession Palette in my daily routine, and I've had a chance to test it in various conditions. Whether it's early morning, before a busy day, or at night for an event, the contour and highlighter stayed in place without any creasing. The buildability of the contour powders is a game changer. You can easily go from a subtle definition to a more sculpted look depending on your mood or occasion. The highlighter gives a soft glow that doesn't look powdery, which is a huge win in my book. It's not too blinding, so it's perfect for those who prefer a more natural glow, but it can be built up for those who like a little extra shine. Plus, the powders don't oxidize or turn orange throughout the day, which is a common issue with some contour products. Of course, there are a few things to consider. One of the minor drawbacks is that the palette may not work as well for those with deeper skin tones. The contour powders, while versatile, may not show up as strongly on deeper skin, and the highlighter may look too subtle. For lighter to medium skin tones, however, this palette is a great match. This product definitely delivers when you consider the quality of the powders and how long-lasting they are. KIKO Milano is known for providing high-quality products at an affordable price point, and this palette is no exception. It offers a lot of versatility for the price, and since the formula is buildable, you'll be able to create a variety of looks without needing multiple products. When comparing this palette to other similar products on the market, it stands out because of its compact size and the versatility of the shades. There are other contour palettes out there, but KIKO Milano has managed to create a palette that's easy to use and ideal for both beginners and experienced makeup enthusiasts. While some palettes may include more shades or highlighter options, the simplicity and ease of use with this one make it a great choice for anyone who wants a quick and effective contour routine. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and feels secure, which is important for those of us who like to throw our makeup into a bag or purse. It's also quite lightweight, making it ideal for travel. I appreciate that KIKO Milano didn't sacrifice design for practicality. Customer support with KIKO Milano has always been responsive when I've had questions about their products, and the brand has built a reputation for addressing any concerns quickly. So if you do need assistance, you can feel confident they'll be there to help. Final thoughts. The KIKO Milano Contour Obsession Palette delivers a simple, effective, and affordable way to contour and highlight. While it may not work for all skin tones, it's a solid choice for those with medium to light skin. It's great for beginners or anyone who wants a versatile, easy-to-use palette that provides a natural, sculpted look. If this review was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more honest beauty reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.